Hi, so this is Shruti and I am here to share my experience with ExcelR solutions. I had an amazing journey with ExcelR. Now I am placed in ExtraaEdge through ExcelR solution itself. I appreciate their efforts for their students to get placed. I have joined their branch in Pune. And what can I say about the facilities? They have very good facility of dashboard on which they provide all the recorded videos, all the study related documents, study material. They have very good facility of assignment as well, by which is very helpful to explore that particular area, that particular topic. Yeah, the trainers are they are very experienced, so it is helpful for us to know more about the industry. They share their industrial experience with us. I personally like their dashboard facility a lot. After working on two projects, you can develop your skills related to that particular domain, like data science or data analytics. My special thanks to the placement team, especially to Praful sir, who is who has been very helpful for me throughout the journey. Um, I cracked the mock interview in my second round. They guided me a lot regarding my SQL skills, my Python skills. He shared his experience with me, which was very helpful for me to develop my skills. I recommended this institute to my three friends, and they have joined the ExcelR solutions, and their experience is also amazing. I think it is an ideal institute.